my English teacher was good in grammar, in vocab, and in reading, writing, but she was not good in speaking. Do you also want to speak in English, but you don't want to do any mistake while speaking English? So this video is only and only for you. I can understand this thing that whenever we go and speak in front of anybody, whenever we try to speak in English, we don't want to do any mistake, okay? We want everything perfect. We think that doing mistake is a sin, and if we do mistake while speaking English, so people will humiliate us and people will not respect us. This is what we think often, okay? But this is the biggest hurdle of learning English. I have seen lots of people, even I can include myself as well, that whenever I go in front of anybody and even while making video, I don't want to do any mistake. I want perfectionism in everything. And you also want that perfectionism while speaking English and while doing anything. So this is the biggest mistake what we all are doing, okay? And this is why you are not able to speak in English, because without doing mistake in English you will not learn English. It's a foreign language, so doing mistake is compulsory. And believe me that if you are not doing mistake, it means that you are not coming out from your comfort zone while speaking in English. Whenever we go to speak in English with anybody, after speaking few words, after fumbling, and after like speaking a little bit English, if we commit mistake, we stop over there and then we return back to our home, and then we think now we should practice more on grammar, more on vocab, and after that we will speak in English. Now it's time to learn more grammar, more vocabulary, but it's not like that. Think about your English teacher in the school, and if you are from a government school, you can relate with it. My English teacher was good in grammar, in vocab, and in reading, writing, but she was not good in speaking. She was not able to speak fluent English. Here we can understand that being good in grammar and vocabs are not only the key factor of speaking in English. You have to speak in English, you have to practice a lot, and you have to do mistakes a lot, because if you are not doing mistakes, you are not learning anything. You know what? We are just behaving like that warrior who have been practicing for a very long time, who have been preparing for a very long time for a war, but when it comes to go in a battlefield and fight with the others, we want more time. You know? If you are not speaking with people, so no matter how much you fill your mind with vocabularies and grammar, you will not able to speak in English ever. These days, it requires to speak in English. In corporate, in government, everywhere. Do mistakes as much as you can do. Become habitual, okay? Have that courage of doing mistakes, because it's important. It's really very important. Hope you like this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.